All right, sweetie. You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, what a beautiful day today.
We got trees to pick up.
And a wife to tell me what to do. Well, we're gonna get out here and get in the big old Dodge with our dump trailer on it and going up to Eaker Nursery. Whoo, boy, I got pollen all over this truck. See if I can use my expertise of
Your professional driving.
50 years of backing. Wish I had the big mirrors I had on the big trucks. I could see better. Alrighty. I think I made it, didn't I?
I think so.
Let's
One try.
one try. We need to blow some pollen off, don't we?
Yep.
We're full of pollen. Usually I'm full of something else.
Yeah. That too. Along
Along with the pollen.
the pollen.
Okay. That, where's the lady at? Is that her? Barb, did we measure across to see how wide it was? Okay. Well, I mean, my auger's 24 inches. You may pull down a little bit further?
No, that's fine.
Is that all right where it's at?
Yeah.
All right. I'll open up the tailgate then.
Agárrate bien. Hello. Hello. One chump over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we've got a third one, but it's not as big.
Okay.
I believe I would have used a tractor. I know I'm going to use one at the house. Because me and this little lady here can't get it like that.
Oh, Lord. Max. Sí, porque es re lejos. Ay, mero. Se atoró, bájala. Se atoró de aquí. Estoy en el gancho.
Did you eat a good breakfast this morning?
Oh, yeah.
That's what I told him. I said, I'm using the Bobcat when I get to my house.
Oh, watch it.
All right.
Oh.
That's a big.
I would have helped, but
You got something, buddy.
hey, I got, well, oh yeah, I got
Okay.
skid steers and track hose
That's good.
and everything else.
I didn't think your
That's
things
okay.
was quite as big as they are.
Ven para acá, dale.
All right.
Don't need a hoist for that trailer.
That trailer's high.
Yeah.
And the other one, he got the Quonset.
She's getting something else.
You need my help.
I do.
I figured that.
That's why you don't see the tarp over that.
Here's your card back.
Spent my money again.
Yep. So what do I need to do?
Well, we're both going to have to get on one on each side and
And pull the.
pull the tarp across.
Okay. All right.
Can you handle that?
Maybe.
You're going to have to. Not really a choice.
Not really a choice.
Huh.
Okay.
And this was not optional.
It's not optional.
Now get on the other
You
side.
want me on the other side?
Well, yeah.
Well, I didn't know.
Well, I was going to be over here
Oh, okay.
on this side.
That means I'll be over here on this side.
Well, that sounds logical to me.
Does it?
Yeah. I need another step here. I need another step to get this
Well,
tarp.
you may have to do what I'm doing, use this step and walk back.
Yeah, I may have to. Note to self, put another step up there.
Note to self.
Yep.
Get it?
I have to. It's got water in it.
Yeah.
Right.
tall enough either. I definitely want the tall enough. 1 minute, he's got to get it hooked.
You got it hooked?
Yep.
That's probably good enough, isn't it?
I would think so. Yeah.
Got tension?
Yeah. Yeah, that'll keep it from everything blowing off.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Now, do you have to?
Do I have to what?
It won't unroll by itself.
No, sweetie. That's why I cranked it up.
Oh.
It's got an automatic.
Oh, okay. Neat.
Yep. Well, we got Mike,
And Barbara.
and we're back from our adventure of getting the trees up at Eaker Nursery. And we've got them off the trailer, and we've got them setting out in our little staging area right now, ready to be planted in a week or so. As soon as we had to get the marking made so we can dig in the right place. And we have got to get a little bit of landscaping finished. And we've got to get Barbara in better shape because she hurt herself this past week. So she's a little bit under the weather as far as physical condition. So Barbara's got to get to feeling better, and it's been raining too. So we got a rainy day here in Cherryville right now. So we'll get that squared up, and then we'll continue on with our planting of the trees and the shrubs and just a lot of other things. So we'd like to say enjoyed it. I hope y'all enjoy it, and we'll catch you out here at another day.